Welcome back, continuing the news. 3 of 8 people who were shot in the Akiwalk community of Malines Road in St. Andrew have succumbed to their injuries. Our reporter Kirk Wright has been tracking that story and now reports.
Gunshots rained in the Akiwalk community of St. Andrew about 8 Tuesday night while many people were still on the streets. Persons who were out say a white car entered the small community off Malines Road. Men alighted and started firing gunshots on persons on the streets. They say occupants of a second white car, which stopped at the entrance to the community, also sprayed bullets on other residents. At the end of the shooting, 8 persons were shot, some multiple times. 3 died later. 45-year-old Evroy Hibbert, also called Buzzer, a bus driver who operates on the Chancery Road to Red Hills route, was among the dead. The others are 33-year-old Omar Morris, also called Chase, and 18-year-old Adonis Hibbert. Eyewitnesses say the bus driver had just left this restaurant after purchasing food when he was shot. They say Chase and the 18-year-old man were standing near this black Honda Fit when they were shot. They were pronounced dead at hospital. Gunshots pierced at least 3 cars, damaging the back and front windshields of 2. Now, the crime scene here in the General Malines Road area spans different sections of the community. So far, the police have picked up spent casings along Malines Road, Fairdean Drive, Macville Terrace, and also a section of the community called Akiwalk. The police have so far picked up over 50 spent casings, and I have no doubt that when they come back here in the morning to search, they will find more. At daybreak, crime scene detectives went back to the area and discovered 2 warheads lodged in this motor vehicle. The bullets also entered one of its tires. Bullets also pierced a nearby wall. Residents say the vehicle was used as a shield when shots were being fired. Dr. Nigel Clark, the Member of Parliament for the area, had just left Parliament when he rushed to the scene after hearing the news.
This is an extremely sad development. This shooting comes, and just terrorizes the community.
The police have not confirmed any of the rumors we've heard about the motive for last night's shooting. The residents are now concerned about the possibility of more shootings and the likelihood of more persons being killed. Dr. Clark is begging for understanding among the warring groups.
This is obviously a police matter, a matter that has to be handled by police, and it's important that members don't, feel the urge to take matters into their own hand, as deep and as wrenching as the pain is.
The police have also stepped up their patrols in the community. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.